Hello everyone, this is Emily. Today we are going to make Roti Canai, a very delicious street food in Malaysia. To make Roti Canai, we need all-purpose flour, condensed milk, an egg, some salt, ghee or butter, and some water. To start with the process, it is so simple. Just mix all the ingredients that we prepared earlier and mix them with a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can use your hand to knead them until it becomes smooth and non-sticky. When it is ready, divide the dough equally, which is about 60 to 65 grams each, and shape into a bowl. Next, cover the dough with oil. It has to be fully coated with oil and leave in the box to relax for at least 4 hours at room temperature. You can also put in the fridge overnight, but you need to wait until the dough comes to room temperature before you start shaping. The resting process is really important to create the thin layers in Roti Canai. To flip your Roti Canai like a professional, you need to practice with a damp cloth. I took the advice and had practiced a few days. First trial, didn't work. Try again. A little bit better. Third attempt. Oh my goodness, what is this? It looks like I don't have the talent in flipping the Roti Canai even though I've been practicing for a few days. Is there any gurus out there that can tell me what I have done wrong? The next two flips are the ones that I've done well so far. Our dough has been resting for 4 hours, so it is very stretchy. Try to stretch as much as you can so that we can create the thin layers in the Roti Canai. Then making into a square shape and ready to be fried. For people like us who can't do it professionally, there is another way of doing it, so don't worry. That is to use your palm. Stretch it slowly and patiently. It will slowly form a very thin layer as well. Lightly grease your non-stick pan and fry until one side turns golden brown, then flip to the other side and do the same. Remove from the pan and give it a clap and we are done. It is perfect to be served together with curry. You can refer to my previous video and see how I make my curry. The homemade Roti Canai is light and soft on the inside and crunchy and flaky on the outside. Roti Canai 就是要用手撕开来吃，从来没有想过自己在家做 Roti Canai 也可以那么好吃。Again, this is Emily. I hope to see you again in the next episode. Bye!